world, welcome back, and today I got my Ricky's Cult Crushes in. And I finally got one of the actual new boxes, that most of the people, or at least half the people, got last month and I didn't. I finally got one. So it goes, if you don't know, this is $14 a month. It was $11 a month, and it was awesome when it was $11 a month, and the past few months have been kind of meh. So let's open it up, and that's how it comes. It does have a card. It has what's in it. It does not tell you the prices of anything that's in this box. First thing I'm going to pull out is this Rose Jean-Pierre sheet mask. Rose water infused sheet mask gives your skin the hydration it needs to beat the heat. Enjoy it on a day when you're looking to calm and refresh your complexion. Infused with rose water to keep your skin hydrated and toned. So, yeah. It's a sheet mask. Next thing up is this Ella and Mila nail polish in Wild About You. This gorgeous red nail color will make you fall in love over and over again with a tint of coral. It's summer and fall friendly, vegan, cruelty free, and dries quickly so you don't have to miss a beat. I wouldn't say this is fall. I would say summer and spring. Definitely summer. This is gorgeous. I don't have a shade quite like this because this is definitely, it's like, it looks, you know what it reminds me of? If y'all seen Jeffree Star's summer collection, the shade Cherry Wet, that's what this looks like to me. It looks really close, and that's the color like I most want, that like orally red. Oh, gorgeous. Okay, so I'm actually excited. I haven't tried this formula. I have seen it around, but haven't tried it. So, okay, next we've got from OMG Skincare Blackhead Cooling Gel. That's what this looks like. Bye Bye Blackheads. This unique gel gently exfoliates your skin in a two-step process. First, it emits a warm sensation to open up your pores. Then the strawberry seeds work to remove blackheads and dead skin cells. Oh, okay. I thought this was going to be like a pore strip. That's what it looks like. I have those little blackheads on my nose, so that's my main issue. I love that it's using strawberry seeds though. And the last warming kind of like is a warming mask, but you didn't really leave it on. You did like this, and I think you rinsed it off. Is Biore has a charcoal one that does that. So it says double dare. A damp size amount of gel onto a clean damp nose. Gently massage in circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. But it does have strawberry seed for exfoliating, glycolic acid for exfoliating. That's a good one. My toner is that. Papaya for exfoliating and pore tightening. Jojoba, or is it jojoba? Jojoba seed oil, moisturizing, hyaluronic acid, moisturizing, and vitamin C brightening. So it actually has really good ingredients. So I'm impressed. Okay. It is only 1.06 ounces. This could be the full size. I'm not sure because it is just like a little mask kind of thing. Or not even a total mask. It is sealed. Oh, that's a strawberry seed. Look, can you see on that? I don't know if you can. Like right there. Here, let's see if we can focus. Yeah. Oh, it does smell like strawberry. I love that. Strawberry is like my favorite scent. Besides mango. Alright, the next thing is a letdown, but only because we received it in BoxyCharm. This is Galactic Matte Lip Polish in Posh. I love the shade. See, this is the color, this is the packaging. Like $14 to $18, something like that. So, in that retrospect, yeah. Yeah, same color. I don't know why that one's settled. In Posh. But at least I can know. I mean, they have a gorgeous packaging. That box is so pretty. But I do have it. I didn't get to use it but like once or twice for a video. That was it because, as I said, we got it like in spring for BoxyCharm. It makes more sense to get it in an August box or September. For August, so you have to wear it for September. You know what I'm saying? But this is mine. It is gorgeous. I only did one look really with it, I think. It's that kind of color. So it's a good formula. It was comfortable on. And it smells like vanilla. Frosting, actually, not just vanilla. It smells like vanilla frosting. So it would have been good, you know, if I hadn't already got it. We got something that actually makes Ricky's a little different. Are these. These are the Ricky Care Non-Crease Clips, a true cult classic. These clips are all the rave by celebrities and hairstylists alike. In the heat and humidity, hair expands, which causes creases to easily form. Carries these clips on you to keep your hair looking gorgeous. I don't have anything like this, really. Like, I have a few bobby pins. Yeah, these are just like that. Okay. I mean, you can't really see them. If I can get them placed right, because they are like this leaf pattern. Can you say fairy? Fairy? Or elf? You know what I'm saying? I don't know. It's just like, yeah, you give us a lippy. This is like what I would expect from an Ipsy bag, because I have gotten a full-size lippy, I've gotten a full-size nail polish, and a sheet mask all in an Ipsy bag. The only thing is maybe not these, but some people have gotten little hair things. So, and maybe this might be the small difference. I know it's like still $7 cheaper than BoxyCharm, but at the same time, come on, Ricky's. Why such a slump after the amazing boxes we were getting for $11? And I know a bunch of people have unsubscribed from you because the boxes have been kind of disappointing. And it's like, you need to go back to what works. Either you drop the price. Okay, if I paid $11 for this, I wouldn't be too upset. But I'm kind of getting irritated now that I'm paying $14 for this. Yeah, you're not really giving us a sample, but... or you give it just a good size sample more than an itty bitty sample if it's something like that, like, you know, like this, you know, travel size more than a sample. But at least, you know, if you're gonna give us a mask, give us like 3, okay? Give us like 3 in a box. I don't know. And if it's a lippy, like when I saw this bowl, I was like, seriously, did y'all not look to see what color we got in BoxyCharm? A lot of people are subscribed to the same, or to all the boxes, not just one. So, you know, when you got a color that everybody got in BoxyCharm a few months ago, that's bad on Galactic, because Galactic said, oh, we'll put this color in your box. I'm like, you couldn't have chosen a different color. It's a gorgeous color, don't get me wrong, but I'm not going to go through that first one probably before it turns bad. And now you sent me another one. So, yeah, I don't know. I'm on the fence of whether to, and I've been a long time supporter of Ricky's before everybody knew about them. I was subscribed back in September of last year. So it's going on a year, and for the past few months I've been disappointed, or not as happy. So I'm unsure whether, you know, yeah, I do still get the 25% off Ricky's, but I don't order a lot from it. But I do still got that. But I don't know if I need to subscribe and just wait to see what the next box is and then reorder it, because there's believe me, everybody's going to cancel and wait and see what's coming up next month, or just let it ride for one more month, and if I'm just super disappointed, cancel it then, and then see what happens in October and November and December, you know, at the time when money's a little shorter, and I probably could cancel a box, you know what I'm saying. But anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles.